Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. I am facing this error invalid partition table. When I turn on my laptop, I always facing this problem. So how you guys can solve this problem? If I enter any key in my keyboard, so it's run normally to the next step. So it will show me the login page of the user of the system. So how you can guys can solve this problem? So let me power off my laptop. So I will turn on it again and I will press the F2 key to enter to the BIOS system of my laptop. So you guys can see I have entered successfully to the BIOS. So here you guys can see the informations about the system. So from here you guys will click on boot sequence. Let me focus on this option, boot sequence, and here you guys can see the UEFI. You guys will select this and apply this setting. So I will exit. So my laptop will shut down and restart again. So you guys will see my problem is being solved. So let's wait to restart it. So you guys can see the option is not appearing. Without this we are gonna to the login page of the system. So my problem is successfully solved. Thanks for watching.